Children, in this video, we are going to be study about the parts of the skeleton because our skeleton is made up of different parts. So here, like backbone, the another name of backbone is spine, ribs, the limbs, shoulder bone, hip bone, arm, and the leg bones. There's an important fact file that calcium is very essential for a strong and healthy bone, and and our bones and teeth are 99% made up of calcium. Firstly, we shall study about the skull, this part and this part because it is the upper part, starting part of our body, and it is made up of 22 bony plates joined together, and inside it, our brain is safe in the upper part, and brain is made up of soft tissues like muscles, and it could be easily damaged without a hard covering. So our skull gave them protection and work like a strong case, like a case in which we like a parrot. Our brain lives inside the skull like a parrot. So skull protects the brain, and the lower part of the skull means this one, this part. This is the upper part. This is the lower part of the skull contains face bone that like nose bone, and skull also protect main sense like eyes, ears, nose, eye underline. So look, watch that. Eyes are made up of two large cavity. These holes, and this hole and this hole. This is called sockets, eye sockets. The second one is backbone. This one that is called रीढ़ की हड्डी, and it is made up of 33 small bones. Place one over another like this, for this, for this, for this. This type they prepared, and the joints that is called vertebrate, and vertebra join together. Joint allow movement, and that's why we can bend. Bend means like this. The straight thing can be bent like this. And twist means we can move our body like a snake. The backbone is attached to the base of the skull. Here, this is the base of the skull. The backbone is also called spine, vertebral column, and each vertebra has a hole. The spinal cord, the main nerve that is connected here, passes inside the hollow cavity, and the whole bone spinal cord is hollow, and that is the backbone encloses the and protect the spinal cord from damage. Next is the ribs. It is the front part of our body, and these are thin, flat, and curved bone. You are seeing these are in this shape. Look at this, and it consists 24 bones, and it becomes like a case, and 12 pairs are arranged. All of them are joint backbone at the back. Look at these, all are connected to the backbone, but the last two pairs, last two pairs are not joined to breastbone. That is called floating ribs. The rib cage protect our heart, our lungs, and the liver. It is also protect our stomach and the kidneys also. Now we shall talk about the shoulder, and shoulder is formed by a collarbone, this one. And the gym, we want to grow up these bones, and the shoulder bone, this one, this is the shoulder blade. We do exercise of this and this in the gym, and the collar is bone is made up of long curve. Look at this, this is in curve shape like this, and bones keep the shoulder apart. The shoulder blade is a large flat triangular. This is, look at this, the shape is like a triangle, and bone attaches to our arms. Next is hip bones, means our जो हमारा कमर के पास का एरिया है, वेस्ट एरिया। द हिप बोन इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द फ्यूजन मीन मिक्सिंग of three bones. The hip bones together with the last two parts of the backbone form a bony bowl. This is the bony bowl, like a bowl is this shape, and it is called pelvic area. The lowest and the strongest part on which sit on, and this help us to sit properly. The thigh bones, this is the thigh bones, are attached to the hip bone. Next is the bones of hand and the bones of legs. Bones are hand bone are also called upper arm या forearm, and here is also wrist where we tie the wristwatch, the palm and the fingers. Okay, and the upper arm has one long. This is the one long arm and strong bone. In the forearm means here there is two bones. Look at it. One is this. One is this. And the wrist is made up of 8 small bones. Here 8 small bones are connected. And our palm, अब हमारी जो palm है, that is made up of 5 slightly bones, longer bones. And our each finger is made up of 3 bones, and the thumb has only 2 bones. And if we talk about the legs, then the lower legs, this one, and the upper leg, this one. And the leg has the longest or strongest bone in our body, that is called femur. This one. This is the femur. Lower leg is composed of 2 legs called tibia and fibula. This is disc-like kneecap or patella in the frontal part of the knee, which protect the knee joint here. The ankle means where the girls wear the anklet, pile, is several bones, and the also have 5 longer bones, and each bone of toe means the finger of our feet has 3 smaller bones.